In this video, we are going to look why your jump cuts look awkward like this. And I'm going to show you how to fix it so they will look more natural. So let's jump in DaVinci. Over here I have sample footage from my previous video. So let me show you what I mean. Let's scroll somewhere in the... Okay, let's go here, select the plate. I will cut the footage just to show you. Zoom in a little bit and let's move it up a little bit. So during filming we make mistakes and we take a couple of times for filming. So it's normal to have jump cuts like this because we move sometimes. So let's fix it. Go in effects, one more time effects, and just drag the adjustment clip on top of our footage. Stretch it a little bit and we need the grid. You will find it over here in open effects. Drag it and drop to our adjustment clip. Move the effects so we have more workspace. Now let's focus on the grid. Go in the inspector, effects, and we're going to work over here. We don't need spacing and we don't need columns. Just the row, so 2 rows will be fine. We need to move a little bit up and we are going to use the tilt. Scroll a little bit to match the eyes, around the eyes, because normally we are focusing in the person's eyes while we watch. That's why we need to match the eyes from the first video and the second video to have smooth jump cut. Now let's go in the second video, select it and put the playhead over here. With the video selected, we need to scroll down a little bit in this case. Let's check. Maybe a little bit up. I think this is fine. So let's disable the video, the grid, and review it. This is more natural. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.